The current global crisis has left many people worried about their financial futures. With the economy in a state of uncertainty, it's important to be informed and prepared. One person who has been warning people about the state of the economy for years is Robert Kiyosaki. In this video, we'll be discussing one of his recent statements and what it means for your financial future. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Robert Kiyosaki is a well-known figure in the world of finance and investing. He is the author of several books, including the best-selling Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which has sold millions of copies worldwide. Kiyosaki has been warning people about the state of the economy for years and has been advocating for financial education to help people protect themselves. He believes that the current economic system is flawed and that people need to take steps to protect themselves and their money. Kiyosaki has been predicting an economic crash for years, and many people have been listening to his warnings. In this video, we'll be discussing one of his recent statements and what it means for your financial future. In Kiyosaki's view, the current economic system is built on a foundation of debt and is unsustainable in the long run. He believes that the government's response to the crisis, such as printing more money and bailing out banks, is only making the problem worse. Kiyosaki's warning is a call to action for people to take control of their financial futures and not rely on the government or banks to protect their money. He advocates for financial education and taking steps to protect your money, such as investing in physical assets like gold or silver. Kiyosaki's warning may seem dire, but it's important to take it seriously and prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. So, what does Kiyosaki's warning mean for you? It means that you need to take steps to protect yourself and your money. One way to do this is to have some of your money in physical assets like gold or silver. These assets hold their value better than paper money during times of crisis. You should also have some of your money in a safe place, like a safe or a safety deposit box. This will ensure that your money is not at risk of being seized if your bank fails. There are several things that you can do to protect yourself in this crisis. The first thing is to educate yourself. Learn about the economy and how it works. This will help you make informed decisions about your money. The second thing is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread it out over several different assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and precious metals. This will help you minimize your risk and protect your investments. The third thing is to have a plan. Decide what you would do if your bank failed. Have a backup plan in place in case something does happen, such as having a portion of your money in a different bank or in physical assets like gold or silver. By taking these steps, you can protect yourself and your money during this crisis. So, what does the future hold? No one knows for sure, but we can make some educated guesses. The economy will eventually recover, but it may take some time. In the meantime, it's important to protect yourself and your money. Keep an eye on the news and stay informed about what's happening in the economy. This will help you make informed decisions about your money. Remember, the best way to protect yourself is to be prepared. It's also important to remember that crises can present opportunities. If you're in a position to invest, keep an eye out for opportunities that may arise. However, be sure to do your research and make informed decisions. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can protect yourself and even thrive in times of crisis. In conclusion, Robert Kiyosaki's warning about banks seizing all your money in this crisis is not something to be taken lightly. It's important to take steps to protect yourself and your money. Educate yourself, diversify your investments, and have a plan. Remember, the best way to protect yourself is to be prepared. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that it has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.